Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present the Suzuki Swift Sport, featuring the 1.6 litre naturally aspirated engine. This particular vehicle's finished in blue metallic. It's in lovely condition, been very well looked after. I'll give you a close up of the alloy wheels there. Again, unblemished. We take a look inside. You have cruise control and speed limiter, integrated audio controls, Bluetooth connectivity. You also have two keys, so keyless entry and keyless start. In-car entertainment, as mentioned, Bluetooth, which you can also use to play your own music, radio and CD player. Just underneath, climate control and USB charging point for mobile devices. 6-speed box. And the Swift Sport also features the sport seats with red stitching. 2 seats in the rear, both of which have ISOFIX for children's car seats. If we take a look at the rear, you can see you've got tinted privacy glass on 3 sides. You also have the spoiler, twin exhausts. Now this particular vehicle has full service history, which is also a main dealer. This means it's only been worked on by Suzuki trained technicians using genuine parts. Before leaving, the vehicle will come with a service and be given 12 months MOT.